Let's learn how to divide the number 216 by 9 using the long division method. As 2 is less than 9, so we will consider the number 21. We know that 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get 3. Now this 3 is less than 9. That is why we will bring down this number 6 here. And we know that 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 216 divided by 9 is equal to 24. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.